Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla panel gap misalignment after delivery and what could be causing it based on verified information. In certain Tesla vehicles, owners may notice uneven panel gaps, panels sitting slightly proud or recessed, or inconsistent spacing between adjacent body panels shortly after delivery. These concerns are typically cosmetic and do not affect propulsion, steering, or braking, but they can influence appearance, perceived build quality, wind noise, and long-term seal performance. This behavior does not affect all vehicles and varies by model year, body design, and production conditions rather than indicating a universal manufacturing defect. Verified information shows that one documented factor involves manufacturing tolerance stack-up. Vehicle bodies are assembled from multiple panels, brackets, and fasteners, each produced within allowable tolerances. When several components fall toward one end of their tolerance range, visible gap variation can occur even though all parts meet specification. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, production batch, transport handling, or inspection timing, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Post-delivery settling behavior has also been reviewed. After transportation and initial driving, body mounts, seals, and fasteners can settle slightly. As a possible contributing factor, this settling may influence panel alignment in some vehicles, but this is treated as a possibility rather than a confirmed cause in every case. Panel installation and adjustment limits are another documented consideration. Certain exterior panels have limited adjustment range once installed. If alignment is near the edge of tolerance at the factory, visible gaps may remain unless corrected during a service inspection. Environmental and handling factors further influence appearance. Temperature changes can cause minor expansion or contraction of body materials, and transport or storage conditions prior to delivery may affect how panels appear under different lighting and angles. Corrective actions described in verified information typically include inspection against factory fitment specifications, measurement of panel gaps, and evaluation of whether alignment falls within acceptable tolerances. Depending on severity, panel adjustment or refinishing may be recommended following service assessment. Reviewed information indicates that panel gap misalignment after delivery is not universal and often relates to tolerance variation, initial settling, or adjustment constraints rather than structural or safety concerns. In conclusion, Tesla panel gap misalignment after delivery is generally linked to manufacturing tolerance stack-up, early settling behavior, adjustment limits, and environmental influences rather than a defect affecting vehicle operation. The issue varies by vehicle and production conditions, and proper inspection is required to determine whether corrective action is appropriate. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.